What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Friday. I have the homies Black Silica VB here today. He's gonna get a new lip because he kind of broke his. So if you're part of the low life, you already know what it is. You're gonna break stuff, but he's here to get his lip replaced, get the V1 splitter with the black rod. So with the splitter, you're gonna protect your lip because the splitters are pretty much damn indestructible unless you're hitting like something really crazy. But his fitment wise, I'm gonna go through his fitment because I'm gonna go through every fitment that goes through the shop, okay? 18 by 9.5 plus 40 offset Inkeys NT03s with some 255 35. Damn, I am so good on the spot my wheels. And then he's lowered about approximately, let's say an inch or so, inch and a half. Where's all this white stuff right here? Where's all this white stuff? Bro, what did you do to your car, bro? Questionable. He also has our window visors, our V1 side skirts. He has our axle back. For those waiting for axle back, they're almost here. And then he also has the V2 wing, the rear roof spoiler, and then the V8 rear fast. So the front end's gonna be a lot lower today, but it's gonna look a lot better. We're gonna get straight into it. It's a little vlog style video today because a lot of guys like the last video of the vlog. You guys loved it actually. So here we are again. So we're gonna get this done. Homeboy's gotta go to work and I gotta get to work too. Oh, by the way, I'll talk about it later. After the Ferrari video I posted, you guys talking about how, how I asked for a raise. Our owner saw the comment. I don't know which one of you guys commented to give us a raise. So thanks to you, I got a raise. So not much, but a little bit. So I'm very grateful for that. So what I'm gonna do is out of my own paycheck, I got a gift card for one of you guys. $100 gift card, okay? Come out of my own paycheck because I love my job. I love what I'm doing. So I'm very grateful for that. So just, I'm gonna pick a random subscriber that comments below and then I'm gonna give you guys an Aeroflow $100 gift card on me, okay? Not on Aeroflow, on me. That's how much I love you guys. And Jerry too. Actually $20 from Jerry, so. So technically $8. But yeah, anyways, so lip is ready. We're gonna get our splitter and the black rods and then we'll be right back. Absolute easiest bumper install ever. This car has been really good to us, honestly. Like, my face jerk. This has been a really super install. Bumper went back perfectly. I wish all bumpers like this. So I think the trick to doing this bumper, the fog light flap has to be above the liner trim. So all I gotta do is give a good tug and then it should be good. So I wanna put everything back, get the black liner off for him, and then he's ready to go. Oh, by the way, here's the Instagram. Yeah, if you don't follow him yet, he's gonna be running our black fender flares, the wider fender flares, so he might need to get some new wheels. So I'm gonna tell him to get some Aeroflow wheels, Alright guys, we just finished installation, the V1 with the V2 lip and the black rods on the black VB. It looks crazy. Let's back it out and see how low this is. I feel like he's gonna scrape for sure. Peep that axle back. Sounds crazy. Today's install day on a stock VB, like a base model game VB. Haven't seen one of these in a minute, but I'm very excited because he has a lot of cool parts from us that we're gonna put me and Jer gonna install today. I'm gonna go straight into it because it's pretty sick. He got the carbon fiber steering wheel with the suede options. Dude, check that out. We have the leather one, so this is a suede option that isn't even on the website yet, but I'm gonna put it on for you guys, okay? But it looks super sick, just like ours. We're gonna swap all the internals from the stock one over and direct both onto his. That's one really good option. And then he got the, what is this? I think he got the Duckbill. You know what? I feel more satisfying opening stuff for people than actually installing it, to be honest. I don't know why. Oh, okay. So he got the, this is the V2 Duckbill in carbon fiber. Oh my God, looks beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. Woo. If you do order the carbon fiber, it comes pre-taped. And since this is the base model, it doesn't matter, base model, premium, or GT. If you take off your stock spoiler, you're not using any holes. It's all 3M tape because, you know. Carbon to match the carbon. Look at that, looks super sick. And then what else did he get? I know what this is. So he also ordered the V2 front lip, S-style front lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and, if you don't know what that is, I'm gonna put that together and show you guys. It's just a V2 S-style front lip. I'm gonna open that, and then most importantly, this piece that everyone's been waiting for is finally here, the our sport grill. So I'm assuming he's not gonna do emblems, but we have the emblems here, and we have all the screws here. So, you know, it's just like our other sport grill install. And check that out. So I'm very excited. Jared's gonna give you some B-roll on the stock WRX right now. On the stock form right now, and then we're gonna show you some afterwards. And then I'm excited to see what he has planned for the future, because I think he needs to load the car. Let's get started. Alright guys, me and Jerry just finished the installation. Let's go straight to the steering wheel. Look how huge of a change it made. Look at that. Wow, that's just beautiful. The carbon fiber with the suede on the side, top carbon red. Oh man, because all the rest stitching matches the factory rest stitching, as you can see, right? Super sick, you know, it's little small details, right? The rest stripe in the middle with the STI on the shift knob, lovely. I love it, I love it. I think this steering wheel is a must. If you don't have one yet, make sure to cope one, make sure to cop one ASAP. All right, come on the outside, guys. Let's go to the front, let's go to the front. Not much stuff today, but let's go to the front. S-style front grille with the V2 S-style lip, both in gloss black finish. Look at that, that is beautiful. I think with the new sport grille, it definitely like makes the whole front end pop a lot more. As you see the front, this is like a very typical combo, guys. If you want to get like a nice aggressive like starter kit for the front end, S-style V1, V2 grill, that's it. And maybe add a brace bar in the front if you want to make a little more pop, but super clean. I think he just lowered the car a little bit, put some wheels on, it looked freaking crazy. Coming to the back, he didn't do much today, but he went with the V2 Duckbill in carbon fiber. Look at the fitment, guys. Here, Jerry, get a close-up shot for them. Look at the fitment, 110%. You know, at Aeroflow, we stand by our fitment qualities. You know, if you don't like it, we'll send it back and we'll get you a new one, you know, and you have lifetime warranty on a lot of parts. So if you don't know, now you know. And then customer also has some muffler dealies on the car, some Rally Sport, some Rally Armor mud flaps. And I think that's pretty much a very clean starter kit right now. I think it looks super sick. Oh, he also has a carbon fiber license plate frame. We should change it out to Aeroflow. Let's hook a brother up, you know? Aside from that, yeah, guys, this is like I said, a very good starter kit if you guys want to get started for a VB. We have everything in stock right now: sport grills, front lips, Duckbills, you name it. We have everything in stock. Damn, Jerry, where are you going, Jerry? But all right, guys, yeah, that's it for today's short install video. Hope you like it. Every part that I just talked about today is in the link below. Jerry, you are so far away. I don't know why you're so far away. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.